Coughing is a reflex action of the body that helps to clear the airways of mucus, irritants, and other foreign substances. When the lining of the respiratory system becomes irritated or inflamed, the nerves in the airways are stimulated, which sends a signal to the brain to initiate a cough reflex. The purpose of coughing is to expel any irritants, mucus, or foreign particles from the respiratory system. Coughing can be caused by various factors such as allergies, viral or bacterial infections, asthma, smoking, environmental irritants, and other underlying health conditions. A cough can be acute or chronic, depending on its duration and underlying cause. If you are experiencing a persistent cough or any other concerning symptoms, it is recommended that you seek medical attention from a qualified healthcare professional.